loves, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry cake for Easter that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious strawberry cake for Easter, these are my ingredients. I have vanilla extract, strawberry extract, color and flavor, baking powder and a pinch of salt, sour cream, milk, butter, unsalted, 3 room temperature eggs, granulated sugar, all purpose flour, and of course the non-stick baking cream. And I'm going to use all purpose flour, butter, and oil. So let's get started. Of course, I am going to start by making the non-stick baking cream. I really recommend for you to make this amazing non-stick baking cream for your goods. Every time you use it, nothing is going to stick. Your cake, your muffins, your cupcakes, everything's going to come out perfect. Let me tell you, very easy to prepare. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of vegetable oil, half a cup of unsalted butter. And here I'm going to just grease my pan, put a liner right on the bottom, grease it a little more from the bottom, and then you're ready to save your non-stick baking cream in your refrigerator. It's going to last for months. And now, of course, the texture. Look at the texture. It's nice and thick, nice and smooth. And now I'm ready to prepare the cake. 3 room temperature eggs. I am going to add in here, I'm going to add half a cup of milk. I'm going to add the sour cream, half a cup of sour cream, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, color and flavor, half a cup of granulated sugar, and now we are going to incorporate. We're going to blend it really good with your mixture, and of course, I am going to add 1 stick of unsalted butter. We're going to incorporate it really good. We're going to sift the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 pinch of salt. This is going to make a 6-inch cake. Let me tell you, this cake comes out fluffy, delicious, moist, and the flavor of the strawberry just amazing. Remember, when you buy the little boxes of cake mix, yes, you could use them once in a while, but when you make it from scratch, your cakes are going to come out so delicious and so amazing. Of course, these ingredients I'm sure you already have in your home. Add it to your baking dish. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and then you're ready to put it in the oven. It's going to be in the oven for about 35 minutes. Every oven is different. When you put a toothpick inside and it comes out clean, it's ready. It's nice and ready and delicious. Of course, if you have little ones, invite them in the kitchen. When I had my kids were little, I remember I would bring them in the kitchen, have them decorate the cakes, do the same thing. They're really going to appreciate it. 1 cup of chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to mix. Of course, I'm using a white food coloring extract. So here I'm just going to mix away, and then I'm ready to pour it right on the top. Like I said, if you have little ones, have them help you decorate your cake for Easter. Let me tell you, this really comes out delicious and amazing. And this is a perfect size for a family of 6. You really want to enjoy this cake. After you make it, just let it sit for about a couple, I would say maybe an hour if you can't wait. And then you could slice it. You're going to see that it's going to be so fluffy, so moist. Add the decoration that you want to add. I'm adding a little bit of Easter eggs. I'm going to add right on the top this decoration. Look at this. Now I'm ready, of course, to slice and show you how fluffy the strawberry cake is. Look at this. It always comes out so perfect and so delicious. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how fluffy. Look how moist. You're really going to love this strawberry cake. Make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family for Easter. See you in a bit. Amigas, amigos, aquí ya he terminado con este pastel de fresa para el día de Pascua. La verdad que quedó tan esponjadito, tan rico, tan delicioso. El sabor a fresa, pues ya ni se diga. Permiso. ¡Qué delicio! Recuerda, cuando tú preparas el pastel de cero, siempre queda riquísimo. Tú decides cuánta azúcar tú le agregas a esos pastelitos caseros. ¿Te gustó? ¿Te encantó esta receta? Regálame tu like, comparte este video, suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. No se te olvide a presionar esa campanita. Ya la presionaste, déjala activada, así que cada vez que suba una rica y deliciosa receta, vas a ser notificada y notificado. Antes de despedirme, yo les deseo mucho amor y paz. Los quiero un montón. Gracias por ser parte del crecimiento de Gloria en la cocina. Regálame tu like, comparte este video y suscríbete para que mi familia siga creciendo. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.